A school intercom system is almost mandatory for all K through 12 schools today. And the reason is what it delivers to a school. Three key deliverables. One, live announcements, the ability to broadcast to the whole school, a group or zone of speakers, or to an individual classroom. Number two, bell schedule, so that you have an accurate bell schedule for the school. And three, emergency announcements. You could broadcast a lockdown audio file so you inform everybody that the school's in lockdown. Or if there's a weather warning, whatever the emergency is, you could broadcast that from a school intercom system. There are several steps that need to be carefully planned and executed when considering a new intercom system. And here's a general outline of the process. One, plan the system. Before installing the intercom system, you must plan the layout, the features, the components. Decide on the number of speakers that you need. And do you need push button or network emergency switches that can be activated to apply the audio file for the situation? The placement of all these components. Lay that out. Show where you want these speakers. Do you want the speakers in the hallway, in the large gathering areas, in the classrooms? Make that determination. Then, what type of network speakers? Once you have your plan, you must gather all the necessary components for the system. These components would be, we need Wi-Fi speakers or do we need PoE speakers? Do we need indoor and outdoor speakers? Do we need the emergency network switches so that we can push a button during an emergency? The wiring of the system. PoE speakers require a network cable to be run from the PoE switch to the location of the speaker. The beauty of this is that network cable is going to carry both electricity and the audio. So one cable and you've taken care of your power and the audio. But if you want Wi-Fi speakers, you'll need to locate the speakers near a standard electrical outlet. The speakers need power, and then the Wi-Fi will provide the audio. Installation of the speakers. Install the speaker in each location based on your plan. Make sure they're securely mounted and positioned to provide clear and even sound throughout the school, throughout the classroom. Our speakers come with a heavy-duty bracket, a swivel bracket, so that you can put them in the best situation in the area that it's supposed to cover for the audio. Test the system. Each speaker will register to the software automatically. It's easy to determine if all speakers have registered. You'll just go to the software and it'll list all the speakers that are registered and their IP address. We send all our equipment out pre-configured for your network. Next, check the sound quality and the volume level of your speakers. We add some tones and a couple songs to the system before we set it out. There's a couple bell tones and some chimes, and there's some audio files, music files that you could play and walk around and make sure the volume level is adequate in all your locations. Next, training the staff. We do an onboard meeting over Zoom, and whoever's going to be engaged with the system during the bell scheduling or making live announcements, what have you, we're going to go over making how to do the live announcements, how to do the bell scheduling and the emergency announcements, how to load any audio files you want to load to customize the system to your school, any groups that you want to make of speakers, the high school speakers and the middle school or outdoor speakers, whatever. We're going to go over all the aspects and answer all the questions. And finally, and just as important, is the documentation. Once the process is over, create a file. It could be a digital file or paper file or both. It would include your network information sheet, your speaker manual, the email and phone numbers of Innovation Wireless Tech Support. In summary, it's easy to plan for a school intercom system. Today's intercom systems are network-based systems driven by software, and the steps outlined above will ensure that you will achieve a successful speaker system installation. So if you're looking to buy a school intercom system, we'd be happy to help with information, answer your questions, with pricing. Just give us a call at 888-559-5565 or hit the quick quote button on our website.